This is Marty from the Dougherty Garden again. We're on the Cactus series at the moment. We got this one and my climbing, but this is the, I guess it's coming, this prickly cactus. It grows fairly high. I seen it over the roof garden, several feet high, so with these pretty flowers. So I'm letting Mother Nature take its course over here and grow, because it's been windy over the past few days, and when I moved them, the plants fell because of the soil. The root system wasn't really established at the moment. So what I do is I take these little sticks, basically from my saw palmetto plant. When I cut it back, I take these little stems with little got these nice little sharp edges, but they last for a good year or so. So I use them for holding up the plant. So that's what's serving the purpose now. I don't want to get them too involved because I want the roots to establish themselves. So we got over here in a sunny location. I'm just doing a video now just to keep everybody happy and to show another plant that's growing in the Dougherty Garden. Like I say, it's the prickly cactus. Thank you for stopping by. Next cactus we're grabbing is the climbing cactus. It's back there somewhere. I got to clean it up, get it presented, and we'll do the same thing with the video for them. So this is the prickly cactus. I can't wait for it to establish. And I can see the lovely little blooms that come out from this thing. I wonder what colors they'll be. We'll see that, and once they do get colors, we'll do it and show you some pictures. Thank you for stopping by. Take care. Like the video. Give us a comment. We're all ears. Thank you. Bye-bye.